Hello everybody, welcome to Kieferfreund. Today I want to show you a very good exercise to strengthen your snoring muscles. We have many exercises to balance the whole system in our app, in our new app, in our No Snore app, in our No Grind app. But today I want to show you one very simple, which you can do right now together with me. So the first thing is just to bring as much air as possible into your cheeks, like this, and now you try to push the air to the left and to the right. Awesome, that's very great. And now to make it more effective, you use your hands to make more resistance. So you bring the air into your left cheek and push against it with your hand. And you hold this for 5 seconds. Let's do it. Great! And if you're doing right, you can feel the tension, you can feel how your muscles have to work in your, not even in your mouth, in your cheeks, but also behind in your throat and in your soft palate. That's great, that's awesome. It's such an easy exercise, but it's so effective. And now we'll do it on the other side. Great. So if you have any questions, just comment below the video or write us. And yeah, I will be happy to see you again and have a nice evening. Bye bye.